have the privilege of having our CMD also to address you all here. And of course, we have very experienced, the ADG of the institution has been kind enough to come to meet us here. And both of them, C.K. Prasad, who is the Dean of this institution, they have worked with RailTel and have contributed significantly for RailTel. So please sit down first. So, I would request them all to speak a few words. But before all that, we started a bit late, but maybe I can have your delayed lunch here. I can see a lot of potential. I can only tell you that RailTel is a great organization for learning and for growth. Okay, we are not a very big PSU. We are not very small either. We are the right size, and for anybody who is hungry to learn, I think we are the right organization. But I'll get out of the way first, and I'll invite CK to please speak.
This program, which is your induction, I think take it seriously because you'll get a lot of inputs, a lot of information. So try to basically assimilate that information and ask questions. Always see that you ask questions and clarify your doubts related to the program as such. And at the end of the program, first week, then we have 2 weeks program where the technical team will be those who are from technical side. They will be attending the program. You are there. And so see that it is very interactive. You can also, the labs are there. You can see the labs which is available in the premises. And in addition to that, I think your RailTel team will be here. So it will be more practical oriented, and so that it actually gives you a good understanding or knowledge about the subject as such. Some of you would have already worked, would have got some prior experience, but then RailTel as an organization is doing multiple things. So like you get a flavor of marketing, sales, implementation. You have a network operation center. You can basically do also project implementation. You can do some sort of design when you're bidding for a project. The bid preparation is another area where you can basically contribute. So it offers a plethora of things, and depending on interest, depending on your capability, depending on competence, you can always get this type of opportunities. So what I've seen in RailTel is that any engineer, 50 managers or managers, you guys are young, and you have certain, okay, you have done your undergraduate programs, maybe some experience. But then usually what happens compared to other organizations, the different thing I just want to highlight is that in RailTel you get multiple, it's a multidisciplinary, and you get to get a flavor of all the different type of activities which RailTel is into in the business of it. And RailTel has grown by taking a lot of initiatives. It is not that there is a set pattern, okay, do only this. There is no compartmentalization of that. There is no silos or something. So you can, RailTel thinks, okay, we should get into this business or that business. A lot of freedom is there in working. So that you'll really enjoy. If you are able to contribute, you can really shine in your careers. So take the program seriously. Also be interactive, and huge amount of opportunity is there because the digital India mission. This how basically the world over how organizations are competing with each other, how organizations are imbibing technology. So there are organizations which in the government which are laggards, but as such, RailTel being a PSU, they are always ahead of the curve compared to any other government organizations. So because they have to provide the services, they have to provide the next generation services. So a lot of and as you know that technology landscape is changing very fast. So you have to keep abreast with that and keep learning. Because initiative is yours. Somebody cannot come and feed you everything. So you have to take a lot of initiatives on your side. A lot of constructivism, what you call, that build on your knowledge, build on others, have a collaborative working. So those things will really help you going ahead. So thanks, I'll not take much of time. I now request Shri Rajshekar sir, who is the additional DG at this institute. And